Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix wireless charging not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, go to next page and go back. If you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart phone from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connection and sharing. And you will see here showing you fast charging. So enable fast charging. After enable fast wireless charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, so update software. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.